Hello, young scholars. My name is Mrs. Poppy, and I'm so excited to grow with you this year in kindergarten. Today, I will be teaching you about an amazing application called Seesaw. First, we will go to the student sign-in page. Then, we will enter our own student code and click on the green button. Do you know what this button says? It says, go! Let's click. After we click on the green button, we can see our own Seesaw page. Let's take a look at some of the things we can find on our Seesaw page. We can find a journal. We can find activities. We can find an inbox. And we can find a blog. Today, I'm going to be teaching you about the activities and the journal. So Seesaw is going to capture all of the amazing things that we've learned this year. So let's try our first activity together. Right here, we can see there's a number. Do you know what that number is? That's right, it's the number 1. This is showing us we have one activity to work on. And here is our activity right here. So we can see that there's some instructions, and we can also click on this button to play the instructions. So after we read the instructions or we play the instructions, we're going to click next on this green button that says Add Response. That's how we complete the activity. Are you ready to try this activity with me? All right, here we go. We're going to click on Add Response. All right, so our instructions said that we want to take a picture of ourselves and write our name to celebrate our first day of virtual kindergarten. Whoa, that's pretty cool. All right, so let's follow the instructions. First, we want to take our picture on our first day of kindergarten. Do you notice any buttons that look like a camera? Great job, good noticing. Right here, we can see a camera button. That camera button will help us take a picture. So we want to click on that camera button. Let's give it a try. Now we can see it came up with some choices. We can take a photo, we can take a video, or we can upload. We're going to take a photo, so let's click on that. We want to take our picture. Ooh. There we go. Now we're going to click on the camera. Click. Did you see that? It got our picture. So we can use these little dots to change the size of our picture. So let's change its size so it fits inside of our purple frame. Ooh. Do you think it's the right size? If we click on this button with the finger, we can drag the picture over to our purple frame. Oh my goodness, it's too big. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Ooh. Almost. Ooh. There we go. We took our picture and we moved it on top of the purple frame. Our last instructions were to add our name. So down here at the bottom, we can see a finger, a pencil, a marker, a glow pen, a sparkle pen, and an eraser. So let's go ahead first and add our name. I'm going to click on the pen. And then I'm going to write my name underneath my picture. If I hold down on the pen, I can make it bigger so it's easier to read. Look at that. I can make the point of the marker bigger. All right, I'm going to write my name. Miss Poppy. Great job! Now we've taken a picture and we've added our name, so we're all ready to turn in our activity. So we are going to click right here on the green check all the way at the top to turn in our work. Very nicely done. Now look over here. There's no more number 1 in the activities spot. That's because we've completed all of our activities. But right here on the journal, we can see all of the work we've already completed. Great work! That's it for our exploration of Seesaw. Come back again soon so we can learn more about this amazing program. Bye for now.